Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off proxy settings. So if you're using a proxy server on your Windows 11 computer and you want to turn that off, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So you're going to start by right-clicking on the Start button, and you want to select Settings. Select Network and Internet on the left side. And then on the right side, select Proxy server for Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections. Go ahead and open that up. And if it's set to use a proxy server, so if it's set up here, for example, and it's turned on, you would see it down here. It would say Use Proxy Server On. Select Edit. Go ahead and turn that off, and then select Save. And you also want to make sure underneath Automatic Proxy Setup, make sure automatically the text settings is turned on. So that's about it, guys. You can also search for it as well in the Start menu search. I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.